Leaders and stakeholders from the global fintech industry have gathered in Mumbai for the 9th edition of the Global Economic Summit for Fintech. Over the course of 3 days, the summit will feature numerous sessions focusing on the growth of the fintech sector and exploring how Indian fintech innovations can be replicated worldwide. Among those who graced the inaugural day of the event on Thursday was Maharashtra's Industry Minister Uday Samant.
ये जो एग्जीबिशन है वो महाराष्ट्र के लिए, देश के लिए बहुत बड़ा एग्जीबिशन है। एमएसएमई को बढ़ोतरी देना, इसमें जो लीड किया है सब लोगों ने, इनको मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और मैंने ये अपेक्षा इनसे की है कि जो हमारे एमएसएमई बंद है वो शुरू करने के लिए जो कुछ तरीका निकालना पड़ेगा वो आप निकालो। महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट उनको सपोर्ट करेगा।
Prominent fintech leaders from India are participating in the event. They shared their thoughts on how to take the industry forward.
Now India is at a fairly mature phase of regulation where we've moved from almost zero licensing to a fairly licensed and well-regulated ecosystem. And I think the two core themes of regulation have really been consumer protection and under that data governance is a core piece of that, and of course addressing market and systemic risks. And I think we're constantly innovating even when it comes to regulation, and I think we can expect to see more stable laws which builds consumer trust and builds investor confidence in the fintech space.
They covered a lot of fine points, and across the ecosystem they spoke about the way digitization is coming and the way the sector is emerging. I like the inputs from one lady from Africa. She said that what France has done was champagne for France is, that's digital lending for India, and it's seriously well said. The sector looks to be big, and thanks to organizations like World Trade Center bringing in so many delegates from across the world and in India.
Where the government is supporting and where the policies are, we will definitely supersede everybody and we will be the best and the first global player. Like our Prime Minister very rightly declared, Mumbai is a global fintech hub, and Mumbai can become global fintech hub because earlier Mumbai is the economic and commercial capital of India.
An exhibition showcasing Indian fintech innovations has also been organized as part of the event. Many fintech leaders at the event say that events like this will help achieve the vision of making Mumbai the global fintech capital. This vision is supported by Prime Minister Modi's recent announcement of a 29,000 crore rupee investment for the purpose. The summit will conclude on August 10th.